Second year English, lecture number 45, topic Mr. Chips, chapter number 8. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and good morning dear students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine and enjoying a safe and sound health. And dear students, I say welcome to my class. Let's start our today's lecture. That is chapter number 8 of your novel Mr. Chips. Okay beta, let's start it. And there was always in his mind that spring day in 1908 when he had paced through Brookfield village as in some horrifying nightmare, half struggling to escape into an outside world where the sun still shone and where everything had happened differently. Dear students, as you know that Mr. Chips, he was living a retired life and he lived his days and nights mostly in the memory of his olden days, in the memory of the days that had passed now, that was the part of his past now, and the days that were spent in the company of Catherine and in Brookfield. So some of them were very pleasant memories, whereas some of them are very sad as well. Okay beta, so what is Mr. Chips is saying now? And there was always in his mind, अब बेटा हमेशा से उसके जहन में क्या था? That spring day, spring day मौसम बहार का दिन जो था in 1898, okay, 98 mean 1898 का वो दिन हमेशा जो है it was very fresh in his mind when he had paced through, paced mean walk, stroll, ठीक है, जब वो जा रहा था उसमें से गुजरा through Brookfield village as in some horrifying nightmare. ब्रुकफील्ड विलेज में से ऐसे गुजरा जैसे कि इट वॉज अ हॉरिफाइंग मीन ड्रेडफुल, ऑफुल, हॉरिबल, ठीक है, एंड नाइटमेयर मीन बैड ड्रीम. सो बेटा उसमें से ऐसे गुजरा जैसे वो कोई बहुत ही डरावना जो है वो ख्वाब देख रहा था. हाफ स्ट्रगलिंग टू स्केप इनटू एन आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड, और वो ऐसी दुनिया में स्केप करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. स्केप मीन टू फ्ली, उड़ जाना, फरार हासिल करना, ठीक है. इनटू एन आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड, आउटसाइड की दुनिया में, बाहर की दुनिया में बेटा वो फरार हासिल करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. वेयर द सन स्टिल शोन एंड वेयर एवरीथिंग हैड हैपेंड डिफरेंटली, जहाँ पे सूरज चमकता था और जहाँ पे हर चीज़ जो है इट हैपन डिफरेंटली, अलग तरीके से रूनुमा होती थी. यंग फॉकनर हैड मेट हिम देयर इन द लेन आउटसाइड द स्कूल. यंग फॉकनर जो था बेटा ही वॉज द स्टूडेंट ऑफ मिस्टर चिप्स एंड ही had met him there in the lane outside. Lane means street, ठीक है, वहाँ पे उसको मिला outside the school, स्कूल से बाहर बेटा स्ट्रीट में उसको मिला. Please sir, may I have the afternoon off? My people are coming up. जनाब क्या मुझे दोपहर की छुट्टी मिल सकती है? My family is coming on. मेरी फैमिली जो है वो आ रही है. Hey, what's that? Oh yes, कहता ठीक है. Can I miss chapel too sir? क्या मैं चैपल पे मिस कर सकता हूँ? चैपल मीन चर्च वर्शिप, ठीक है. यस कर सकते हो तुम. ही इज सेइंग, ही इज आंसरिंग इन दिस वे बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट मेंटली इन अ गुड स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग, इन अ स्टेट ऑफ हेल्थ, ठीक है. मेंटली बेटा उसकी जो पोजिशन थी इट वॉज नॉट वेरी गुड. सो एंड कैन आई गो टू द स्टेशन टू मीट दैम, और क्या मैं स्टेशन पर उनसे मिलने जा सकता हूँ? एंड कैन आई, he nearly answered, you can go to Blazes for all I care. My wife is dead and my child is dead and I wish I were dead myself. कहता है कि उसने तकरीबन जवाब देता है कि you can go to Blazes. Blazes mean hell. तुम दफ़ा हो जाओ, तुम जहन्नुम में जाओ मेरी तरफ से. My wife is dead and my child is dead too. My wife and my child they are dead and I wish I were dead myself. और मेरी ख्वाहिश है कि मैं खुद भी उनके साथ मर जाता. Actually he nodded and stumbled on. Nodded mean, ठीक है, सर हिलाना, incline, bow, make a sign. Stumble mean slip, stagger, ठीक है. So actually he nodded and stumbled, but these were his thinkings and he didn't answer his student in this way that he was thinking, ठीक है. So he said that actually he nodded. So उसने क्या बेटा किया? He nodded, he moved his head and stumbled on, walked very difficultly, बड़ी मुश्किल से वो चलता गया. He did not want to talk to anybody or to receive condolences. ठीक है बेटा, कहते हैं कि he did not want to talk to anybody, किसी से नहीं बात करना चाहता था, और ना ही वो कंडोलेंस जो है वो रिसीव करना चाहता था. कंडोलेंस मीन सिंपथी, ठीक है, कंपैशन, पिटी, हमदर्दी. he wanted to get used to things, वो चीज़ों का आदी हो जाना चाहता था. if he could, अगर वो हो पाता, before facing the kind words of others, दूसरों के जो काइंड वर्ड्स थे, वर्ड्स ऑफ सिंपथी, बिकॉज ही डिडंट लाइक दिस थिंग दैट द पीपल फील सिंपथी, पीपल शो सिंपथी टू हिम on his loss. So he took his fort from as usual after call over, setting them grammar to learn by heart, while he himself stayed at his desk in a cold, continuing trance. Suddenly someone said, "Please sir, there are a lot of letters for you." Now beta, उसने क्या किया, he performed his duty as per routine. He took the roll call of the class and then he made them to learn the grammar by heart. ठीक है, उसने स्टूडेंट्स को कह दिया कि you learn your grammar वर्क जो भी उनको दिया हुआ था उसने, to learn it while he himself stayed at his desk. तो बेटा अपने डेस्क पे वो खड़ा हो गया in a cold, बिल्कुल एक cold stun कंडीशन में ना, continuing trance. ठीक है, ट्रांस मीन स्टपर, ठीक है, हाफ कॉन्शियस स्टेट, ऐसे जैसे इंसान जो है वो इट वाज हाफ डेड हाफ लाइफ की वाली बात है, दैट जैसे नीम मुर्दा लोग होते हैं. सो बिकॉज हिज कंडीशन वाज रियली वेरी बैड ना. सो सडनली समवन सेड, प्लीज सर, देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ लेटर्स फॉर यू, आपके लिए बहुत सारे जो हैं वो लेटर्स आए हैं. ठीक है, and beta no, his students and nobody even they could understand his condition. They could know that how much bad state of mind he was suffering from. उसका दिमाग जो है वो कितनी बुरी हालत में था इस टाइम. So he had been leaning his elbows on them. They were all addressed to him by name. अब बेटा उसने क्या किया, he was putting his elbows on the desk and under his elbows there were a lot of letters and they were all at the name of him, mean to say कि उसको सब ने उसको एड्रेस किया था, addressed to him by name, उसका नाम लेके जो बेटा एड्रेस किया गया था, उसको जो लेटर्स लिखे गए थे they were to his name. So he tore them open one after the other, but each contained nothing but a blank sheet of paper. Okay, so he opened them one by one, and what happened that all of them were of blank sheet and nothing had been written on them. उनके ऊपर बेटा कुछ भी नहीं लिखा था, they were blank sheets, खाली पेपर थे. So because he was not in a, you can say, healthy state of mind, that's why he couldn't understand that what happened to him, what were the students trying to do with him, because he was in his own trance, ना, वो तो अपनी ही हालत में था, अपनी ही वो जो है वो सैड कंडीशन में था. He thought in a distant way that it was rather peculiar. ठीक है, अच्छा उसने बेटा जो है वो सोचा कि शायद ये कोई जो है ना वो अजीब सही है. ठीक है, कुछ ख़ास इतनी ख़ास बात नहीं होगी. पिक्युलियर होता है स्ट्रेंज, कि ये स्ट्रेंज सी बात है, अजीब सी बात उसने समझी इस चीज़ को. ठीक है, इन अ डिस्टेंस वे दैट इट वाज रादर पिक्युलियर, कि ये बड़ा स्ट्रेंज सा था, बड़ा अजीब सा था. ठीक है, अजीब सी बात तो थी. बट ही मेड नो कमेंट, लेकिन उसने बेटा किसी किस्म का कोई कमेंट नहीं किया. The incident gave hardly an impact upon his vastly greater preoccupations. तो जो इंसिडेंट था उसने जो preoccupations mean absorption, ठीक है, inattentiveness, वो तो पहले inattentive था. He was not attentive very much to his students and towards the class, and he was vastly greater, कि इतनी ज़्यादा उसकी गायब दिमागी जो थी उसके ऊपर इस चीज़ ने उस पर किसी किस्म का असर न छोड़ा, because he was thinking about his wife and his child. So not till days afterward did he realize that it had been a piece of April foolery. Okay beta, the students, without knowing his loss, the students they made April fool with him. उन्होंने उसको जो है वो April fool में लाया. How to send, by sending him blank sheets and by keeping them into the envelopes. ठीक है, उसके envelopes में डाल के उसको भेजे, so that he may not understand at the very first hand. उनको खोले फिर उसको पता चले कि what was happening with him. So they had died on the same day, the mother and the child just born, on April 1st, 1898. और बेटा अब उस दिन मर गए थे. दे डेड ऑन April 1st, 1898. और उसी दिन जो है बेटा, नॉट ऑन द सेम डे व्हेन दे डेड, because the students who came later, or you can say the other generations or the other sections or badges of the students, when they came after the very April 1st, 1898, when he had bore this loss. Even the new students, they were not, you can say, they were not aware of that loss. So he was thinking that on the same date it happened to him, and that date was very fresh in his mind because he couldn't forget Catherine and his child, the new infant child. He was dead with his mother. So beta, this was a lesson for today, and I hope you have well understood. And beta, you have to learn the similar meanings side by side, and there is no need to learn the translation because I just explained the text in order to make in order to give you better understanding of the text, so that you might be able to attempt any question that is asked by the examiner from any chapter of your play, of your novel. Okay beta, it's enough for today, and so till tomorrow's lecture, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.